Senior Chinese Military Intelligence Office indique nous the truth about the coronavirus outbreak. Far worse than the media are telling you. Chinese citizen in Wuhan occupy a high ranking position in military intelligence. Also a member of the Chinese Communist Party. A senior official near the top of the party. He have access to a great deal of classified information and have been involved in many top secret government projects. He have a doctorate from a leading university in a western country. He am able to read me in English. He have information table of cool to the overthrow of my government. He also relevant to billions of people outside of China. All of them are now in existential peril. He will no surprise you to hear that if my identity were to be revealed, my life will be in grave danger. I will those of me wife and son. He asks you to respect the fact I have stripped out of the punal fact will make easy to identify me. We know you will be familiar with the outbreak of 2019 nCoV, also known as NCP, or simply coronavirus you have originated in Wuhan, an industrial city in China, and it came from an animal most likely. Abara pangolin or solina will animal marqué. You have bottle taille en influenza liquinestacan in severe case cause pneumonia, respiratory failure and death. Finally, you may virtual to go the disease easily infect you, is dangerous only to the elderly or to those who have a compromised immune system. The official lethality rate approximately 2% or so. All of that is a bunch of concocted by the Chinese state with the tacit support of the USD state and different in the European Union, Russia and Australia, and spread by the docile media in all of those countries. They must start by telling you that the world doesn't operate the way you think it does. All two countries like China vie for global dominance, ta competition is restricted to certain limited areas. In most ways, the two countries are more interested in cooperation so that they can stop the competing country from gaining more power. They also have a share interest in keeping real power out of the hands of their ordinary citizens. To the end, they have many different mechanisms by which they control the overwhelming majority of their media outlets. The Americans in particular have perfected the art of creating made-up division between their two main parties share designated to hide the fact about serve the same master. Those same nations also possess technology far more advanced than Yankan. Imagine and discussed carefully hidden from public view. They include advanced artificial intelligence capable of determining and deciding any election in the world, biological and chemical agents that can manipulate and control the thinking pattern and behavior of citizens to terrifying degree. Highly sophisticated manipulation technique using in optic practice entirely unknown to the public. And the thing I will know going to know. My point is the green nation do not compete so much work to get. Their principal goal is to shield the true working of the world from the initiative public. Just to give you one example, there are actually any nuclear weapon anywhere in the world. The US and the Soviet Union scrapped them all in the 1970 seconds. Editor client state. Everyone realized that those weapons could not be used to destroying the whole world, so there was no need for them, but by pretending that them, the people were able to keep the non-nuclear power in line. Les me return to the virus. Last year, large-scale anti-government protests erupted in Hong Kong. The Standing Committee of the Chinese Communist Party considered us to be a grave threat to the integrity and stability of the motherland. The US government and the U.K. as the Chinese were secretly working on a biological agent that was supposed to make the protested docile and obey. We to go into detail, we work on a project. We try to develop a sort of spread that could be dispersed from helicopter drone and only to mental retardation and behavioral change. Naturally, Hong Kong is one of the most top and international cities in the world. The party decided I was too risky to release the agent in Hong Kong to first testing me. 40. In idea green number of human guinea pig. To grow identify 40. First, we round up a large number of so-called Islamic radical in Xinjiang province and took them to a local training camp already been using those camps for human experimentation for several years. But the Hong Kong protest movement were redoubled or effort. We exposed the aim to very welfare experimental agent. At those were odorless and invisible, the subjects were not aware that they were taking part in medical trial. The resulting migrate of cancer, premature dementia, suicidal depression and dead by organ failure could easily be suppressed. as the can are located in very remote part of Montreal. On the initial experiment a yield a beta agent. It was transported to Hubei province. It was deployed in a special military testing facility outside the city of Wuhan. It was now a particularly well-kept secret. The existence of the facility has been reported in international news. Even the fact that it is located close to the wild animal market is non-fact. Biton au président already introduced a social credit system to allow way to identify disloyal, counter-revolutionary and bourgeois elements in our society. Using the social credit score chart taken from online activity, electronic shopping behavior and report from informed in civil society we select some of the worst offenders. These include human rights and activists, Christians, homosexuels, artistes, intellectuals, people speak foreign language, and the indesirable. Monsters trouble make have been collected and placed in the testing facility. We expose them to the agent. Ici biochemical in nature and spray in un invisible aerosol. Account au certain virus. Initial results were encouraging. Also significant cognitive decline and reduction in mental processing facility. Essentially, or undesirable were becoming mildly mentally disabled. Ici precisely the effect we wanted to produce in order to pacify the restive population of Hong Kong. Unfortunately, it became apparent as the agent also had the effect. Abouanou café the retardation scene, or subject developed major anxiety and panic attack. Éventualité développée symptômes akin to those of paranoia schizophrenic. At that point, their body rapidly deteriorated. They developed massive internal bleeding, the wall of their artery dissolved. They bled out of their eye and orifice. And their tissue disintegrated. Top in a more direct western manner, they started to melt. It usually occurred through multiple organ failure. Tiwa prostabi at least 5 days of severe agony each could no be alleviated bit panquier. Iwa atitim tai first violaté au protocole. One subject, en elderly lady a publié defamatory cartoon of our president. Pegem for it with such insistence ta et took pity and show. Iwa reprimandé. But fortunately the complaint was dropped and he agreed to reimburse the cost of the bullet. I swore to myself never again to show such unnecessary emotion. We decided à outrage inusable. It was far too destructive for our purpose. We wanted the population of Hong Kong to submit to U. We did not want to exterminate. Naturally, our American friends habitants are interested in our work and asking for a sample for their own research and testing purpose. They intended with it to use it to resolve certain difficulties in Venezuela. Normally we would have agreed. We maintain a friendly relation with the CIA. But given the extremely toxic nature of the agent, we declined. It turned out, was a grave mistake. The CIA was convinced that we had developed something very powerful and wanted to keep it ourselves. They offered a great deal of money to the for research. Foolishly, we agreed to sell them a specimen. We found out just in time for the end of the entry to stop it from happening. In the ensuing route, Tom wanted to look for it in the night. He was never reported annually several dozen people were killed. More importantly, however, the agent escaped. The shoot took place as the wild animal market had been reported. As the location of the animal to human transmission test started the outbreak. But of course there was no such transmission. It was just the location where the CIA was supposed to receive the sea vial containing the agent. The vial shattered and it was dropped by the traitor agreed to sell it to the American. Benoit understand you will be skeptical. If you rely on Moïse, you will be sharing the information on the internet. Les me assure you I am no friend of the Western system of governance. I love me motherland and I am loyal to the Communist Party. I lifted hundreds of millions of my compatriots out of squalor and poverty. However, I am also a human being and I have a conscience. Most importantly, I have a foundation. On se réalisait as the agent escaped and all start to spray. We swiftly put all of you into lockdown. You are one of those tasked to manage the fallout of the contamination. Of course we could not keep such a undertaking secret, so we decided to order our state media to report a coronavirus outbreak out in Wuhan. In reality, of course, there is no coronavirus was almade. One of my colleagues came up with the genius idea of pretending to people with the common flu suffer from the coronavirus. Tiel way to hide the true nature of the disease. Les me explain. The currently flu season in China. And we realize that we could no longer control the spread of the agent. We sent women to all the hospital and instructed doctor to diagnose every case of the common flu. A coronavirus we came up with. En novembre 2019 COVID dans des facts that describe the illness. The result of the decision at the time of 2 of individual who were simply suffering from a color flu were no diagnosed. Having a mystery coronavirus altugue infectieux, one of temps létal. Il frigtenait the public, et elle way to push the narrative that the disease was not deadly. Et also gave him to prepare for the catastrophe that was sure to come by imposing a lockdown on Wuhan city in Hubei province. You have no heard in the news from the size of Wuhan, with the population of 11 millions. The known event many of the residents between 100,000 upon 2,000 were infected and before long suffered the agonizing that I have already described. Within a week, there were so many corpses that I did not know what to do with them, so we ordered the surviving social credit prison to drive the body into the country and buried them in mass grave. But it was very difficult to keep the activity secret, and we could not even keep up, as there were so many corpses. We planted a story that 5 million residents have left Wuhan. In reality, of course, many of those people had died from the agent. He was working around the clock helping to orchestrate the cover-up. Only think back to my action now, I feel Grisham. As the team is believe that I was fighting for me motherland and the rule of the party was just. But didn't, I already began to have doubt. My faith in the party was shaken even more deeply en lien happened au Dr. Liu Lian. One of the faits doctor refused falsely to diagnose flu patient with the coronavirus a punishment. Was until el transport divided to mass grave. The expectation was that would be infected with the agent and die agonizing it. But to great surprise, did not contract the illness. You have of course related a day of coronavirus you have been misinformed. A sergeant of the People Army Police injected him with a mixture of heroin and mercury that caused il into the flat. Il faut notably became assuré or no he was the right thing. Il believed taille appropriate for a governmental rule with a severe he do not think that you are okay Dr. Lee. Was a compassionate and calm and de carré abui patient. Aucun homme talent no benefit from having such a doctor. He share me concern with me with, but je convince him that he should not say anything to me superior. Je said I was too dangerous, that evaluate loyalty above everything else, and I will only trouble if he admitted to me do better practice. Je also pointed out that we benefited from priority medical treatment. As a official, we receive a regular supply of the highly sophisticated asthma mask car the only known technology that can prove infection. Je implorais me to think of for son, he smile. If he spoke out and work, believe will be a risk. Around the same time, it became clear that the agent was entirely beyond control. He was spreading liquid fear through Hubei province and beyond, infecting tens of millions and causing them all to die. He understands that I just say difficult to believe, because you have been told that have been only about 50,000 infection, and far away it. But those are the influenza infection that have been falsely passed off as a non-exist coronavirus agent far more contagious than and the fatality rate, and like the coronavirus is now 2%. No, the fatality rate is 100%. Nobody recovered from it. Everybody au contracted. And a lot of people are contracting it. Hubei province in rien. The various travel restrictions and lockdown have been imposed were no created to stop the spread of the agent. None of them can stop it. No embargo, no face mask or sanitizer to stop the survivor from seeing the catastrophe with their own eye. I am part of the greatest cover-up in human history. The ending of the death of tens of millions. Very soon, Hubei province will be no more than a sheer mortuary, and the truth will come out. Formule, the turning point came on the particular telly, and tell you what to dreadful event form to accept. Yuma Avirta China built a new hospital, Calebezans en hospital, in Wuhan, in order to provide additional quarantine and isolation facility for infected patients. Yuma Avirta built in only 10 days. That really, sure, Teddy built some meeting in 6 days. But you no hospital. The true nature of the building was top secret. Initially, Iwan even nu goto believed as a party wa demonstrating compassion and care for the people. But en mi supérieur sans metteuse en an. Iwa sonarun the installation bi, a military police office calais corporalement. Ti ino nam. Water sur the truth. AIF mentionné. The only way to protect oneself from the agent be wearing a special protective mask entirely unlike those available commercially. Even medical professional don't have access to it. Available only to biomedical warfare research and un extremely advanced technology. Those masks need to be kept a particular temperature to the full production, and lose their effectiveness very quickly. I also already said enough the benefit of my position what about my family and the access to regular supply. Ici worse afin comparé aux civilians. Doctorant devant le level gouvernement officiel, alors for more utterly ineffective surgical mask in the misguided belief that I would protect them. And so, wearing this special equipment, you want to use en with corporalement. At you want to call ta place, in a hospital, sur the entrance look like a hospital and in the war at the front of the complex. There are appear to be normal medical bay. There. Tous en enfin affectés patiently, all of them in the early stage of the disease. Igual que tous long, it corridor next to corporalement. Angular face this patient at in military fatigue. And so point of identical hospital bay, on is skirmezo terrifiant disease inhabitant of fluent. Ter criem pleon me in the long ignition ou amenable tosli. But you am early the beginning. Eventually the corporal took me to the rear of different section. Ter. Local metal gets leto a cales the middle section the patient in the front are an hour of existence. The eater has the more advanced as are kept, in a most closely resemblement à l'asylum. Immediately upon entering the pair of years and he was struck by the dimanche lightning and stanch of Romian du monde west. The unfortunate ran freely, term gradually disintegrating in endless panic attack and psychotic episode. Tutor were no more doctor. Merligoria face a man in black uniform who belonged to some secret branch of the military police and very rough. They appeared to have been selected for their cruelty, for to be degraded the patient in the most sadistic manner. Many of the amateur regressed to shield stat and lay on the floor weeping like infant and begging for compassion that they did not receive. There was cruel pleasure in the eye of those to brutalize the unfortunate. They beat him with baton. Spray pepper spray and terre and kicked him with their steel capable. Iowa from military intelligence, the guard in even attentoid their activity. They even invite me to join, in every way, that written on of them. One of them is to win the greatest bathroom of your and looking to. Ashimiro and ask myself if relally a you heart. Are you relally like them? But the violence was no merely an expression of sadism. For the poor amateur no to be carré fort. They were to work. There one more say of tour. And beyond them lay as a corporal as the core and the water taiso, pile and pile of the body. Second on top of one and all the way to the ceiling. There were men, women and children, elderly and toddlerly, rich and poor, beautiful and miserable, poor and humble. They were all of them the. Orage made no distinction between any of them. I gaspé on the corporal aime to the core. I canoku no monitor were. But you were many to the. And in the midst of the pile of corpse were a can of pet, and the air are whirring soon in the distance. The miserable patient from the middle section picked up the DN carrier and dragged him away into the dark, even as the guard beat him with trencher. He took me a little before he grasped what happening. He simply could not believe as the end of the bat in the core. He was on her move furnace, with grief roaring with one beyond, their man destroyer and their body twisted. The leading men and women carried the corpse to the furnace and cast them acid. At doom attento it's the dreadful truth. He saw several of them collapse from exhaustion only for their lifeless body to be added to the mountain of corpse embodied. In a seemingly endless line they were, their emaciated body lying grey overall, their backbone and the wake of their dreadful cargo. Many early and grown in terror and their voice joined in, a sorrowful cacophony telling of the horror of the fear. In the shock, he stared at the boundless horror before me. Bosside mustu corporalement. Il avait face à émotion laissable fort. On y tournait tout facile, lookait à me. Il smilait. buti dino. Use energie to operatuur en EC. Use of the state considerable resource in Tiway. Andlu, wavida the gallery of the editor are so many of temer. You could almost describe renewable energy. Logan doivent in strangely congesture. Is to speak less sound stare the infernal sun before many in black uniforms screaming demon as a red shower disposing of the corpse for them. The strip as the day of anything to avalu jewelry, cash, expensive clothing and to set it monto on or mupil next to the furnace. En yes que the corporal will done with the item, te set at I will use it to pay for the il car expense incuré by the patience te in ans. I vomite in the toilet. On efflusé an camut of the stall, corporalments to be the durant look am. If a soin à blanc à before, butini et to gi registré. A very fin trace of content. You are ton year mi senior. The look say, but you are soft. I tank him for his service and one home. En y arrivé. I saut aieros se viendrait of update. On the encrypted with the party is to communicate to incide. The ne were unimaginably grim. The State Legal and Economic Commission a allocated fin for the construction of dozens of facility ligures en Altrugochina. The agent has prino only to every single province of the motherland, but to most of the nation in the world. Fortunately, we agreement in place with the government agree to protect the infection world to a coronavirus. They were just a worry our world a panic mic break out inter-country. The American in particular were terrified as the 500 mic decline. TC. Will be unacceptable in an election year. So we could counter full support. Of course the World Health Organization also help. For a long time, the only issue with the WHO about our have been looking a contest with the American about bribe temor. They release all sort of sophisticated misinformation about having the code the DNA of the so-called coronavirus. Altial way to stave off a global panic. For now, yes, the situation was worsening with astonishing speed. I am reluctant to reveal too much on the point. I will make it easy for me and me to identify me, but we quickly began to implement measures to protect our most senior leader. If you look at the world now, you will see Xi Jinping, our president, disappear for approximately a week after the outbreak, before passing again with the leader of Cambodia. You should not as a person but the Cambodian leader when our president Xi. You are a body double for many years. Bantraîné to look and soon just like co-president. President Xi of course no careless en Hugo to risk it. His affluence concerne a secret bancaire internet en Yane, the head carte of the party in Beijing. Nor the only leader in Igdin. In fact, I can assure you that the half of all senior party members are currently being imitated between actors are following instructions given to them via special implant. Do you really think that our Prime Minister will risk if big went to Orient? Aloftimenta au gouvernement a become utterly paralyzed at the function of the state, have been taken over by the military. It became clear to me that reform were pointless. The lockdown, travel ban and targeted assassination of rebellion journalists and a way to hide the true situation in Wuhan, but ignorant that he will know less. On the must did in the rest of the world in our estimation. Tish la point within the next week or so every week know the truth. It will become clear that we cannot protect ourselves from the agent. Surgical mask, and sanitizer. Glove nothing can stop it. Nothing except the special asthma mask, but those cannot be produced in anything like sufficient quantity. You, an ordinary person, we never even receive one, leal na sufficient beto see you through the coming Holocaust. For those of you relating to, therefore, Ali can suggest it you ki your love and close to you. Tel them at them to you. Enjoy the team you have left with them. I know typical in Chinese culture to express and feeling in the way, but I have learned the importance of such gesture. I promise me with Taiwan will show the document before I post it. I broke me word. I we in Lu, where sob in the bedroom, and the cat bar of me laptop away with me until. No long ago. We receive a result of the regular test are part of our priority medical treatment and the intermission avant infected with the agent. The military police are supplying me with the special protective mask avant giving expired and ineffective mask to mission, mask the senior official already worn and discarded and tested to protect them. mais on masque, en the océan, à web of the necessary qualité. Il suppose de décider à mis son way of the way priority en me. Il suppose mis son cool no el temuiter cover up. We along go decided à we will be, differ will be honest with him, alway. And so ask we told him the truth. We told him ta very sick. Ask him more, and we told him will no GBT. Continue asking, and we told him ta will die. Very small. But all on go to understand. It terrify why we me for the rest of me miserable day in Tiwal. Let him come. Let him do it me at a we. In a long car.